Lego My Jameso. Hey everybody, it's Lego My Jameso. If you're already subscribed to the channel, thank you. If you're not, welcome to the channel. You should subscribe. We have an awesome video today. I'm going to be unboxing, building, and reviewing the Lego City passenger train. This is set number 60337. It has 764 pieces, and now I'm just going to show you what's in the box. So, like the video if you enjoyed at the end. Alright, so for starters, here's the front face of the box. Top side, underside, left side, right side, and back of the box. Let's open this. All right, I just cut the seals on this box, so let's see what we got. Okay, so here's everything in the box. There are bags 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There are 2 sets of straight rail, 4 sets of these, so that'll create your circle. A train base piece that's loose. A bag here that has our battery pack, magnet pieces, and motor, as well as lights. Okay, these are new pieces. I'll show those when we build it. But instead of having one large train piece, it's 2 pieces put together, and our train remote. Last but not least, we have the sticker sheet and the instructions. So 1, bags 2 and 3, bags 4 and 5, bags 6 and 7. Okay, let's build. Here's the finished train set. The only thing you'll need that it does not come with is 10 AAA batteries. Any brand will work. I'm going to put these in now, and it's helpful to have a small Phillips head screwdriver, small Phillips head. Okay, so I put the batteries in. Now I'm going to connect this to the receiver. Okay, so you have to hold this one in. But now they're both green, so they're paired. So let's run this train set. So it did not derail on the top speed. All right, so speed 1. Slow, but it's moving. Speed 2. Speed 3. 4. 5. Okay, so something else that's pretty cool, the lights are hooked into the other side of the battery pack, so that would be this switch, so when I hit plus, they start getting brighter. I'll bring that closer. So lights on. So I think that's pretty sweet, and it's just a cool way they designed it with this build by using those sloped translucent pieces. Yeah, or transparent. Yeah. So there's the train engine. So here's everything you get with the new LEGO City passenger train. So here are the figures. A lot of fun figures here. Cool wheelchair. You know, these bodies are the same as the bodies we've seen in the train station. This character right here is quite fun. Very colorful. Has a phone, briefcase. This child has a laptop. Biker person. All right, so first up in the build, you get this little train platform. All the passenger trains in the past years have had these. It's a nice little side platform, nothing crazy, but definitely something nice to have if you have multiple trains and a lot of track. Okay, up first, we have our locomotive. Definitely a very sleek, cool build. I think it was built quite well with very curved and sloped pieces. This opens up for your conductor, and the wires here are the ones that go to the lights. Definitely a cool feature. In here, this is just where the battery pack is. This whole thing lifts off, and that's how you'd replace your batteries or take them out. But yes, nice engine. Okay, then we have, this car was from bag 2. It's the handicap accessible car. I'm gonna open it now. Okay, so here it is. These two panels lift off really easily versus these ones I think are just meant to stay on there because they go here and you could open the doors to put your figures in. So down here there are sloped pieces which make this handicap accessible, so we can roll a wheelchair in the doors and it will sit down there. There is a nice food station here. Very cool coffee cups here. That's a new piece. I've never seen that before. So there's your coffee cups, a little fridge, hot dog, and a croissant, however you'd say it, and then a table over here in the back. They used some creative parts to be able to put the table on top of where the pin is for the wheels. So definitely a nice creative train car. And then there's a table there that the guy in the wheelchair can use, or anybody that's standing in there. Yeah, definitely an awesome use of the window panels. I think they look pretty great. And then, you know, cool sloped pieces here to give, you know, the color variation. So the wheels are different. Now the trains use these. They're all just plastic individual pieces. Right here, like each one is its own piece. Versus back then they used one single metal axle that would hook two wheel pieces together. So they essentially eliminated that. Not sure how I feel about them yet, but overall it's run pretty well. Okay, final train car. I'm not going to take off the midsection here on this one, but this one just has 2 tables. They're the same table as we've seen here. Definitely a nice table that can fit 2 chairs, and they're staggered, so you have this side and this side. And then this is really cool. I like how they're adding these features for putting a bike in there. So a bike just simply rests down in there. And this was in bag 1. Very cool bike. Has the bags on the back. So got that good old Grubhub delivery, baby. Yeah. All right, so that's the train. And now you can enjoy watching it run around again. I approve of this train set, but I think I'm going to like the freight train more. Tune in soon for that review. Thanks so much for checking out this train review. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and the build of this set. I think it's a fun one. Definitely a cool train to have in the collection. Leave a comment if you want to see any other train sets built or reviewed, or even current city, just sets in general that you want to see a review on. Please subscribe if you haven't already and you want to see more content like this. And like this video if it helped you. Thanks again, guys.